in this video, I will share with you all 6 unusual and wearable ways to wear your dupatta or scarf. Plus, I will be creating 3 different looks which are ethnic, western and Indo-western, only using dupattas without any cutting or saving method. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Hansika Ladhi and it will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel down below. And here is the timestamp to save your precious time. I must say that dupatta lining your wardrobe is the most versatile piece of clothing you have been ignoring for years. There are many different ways to wear your dupatta or scarf rather than just throwing it on in that age-old basic way. And what if I say that you can wear your dupatta as a complete outfit? Yes, today I will be sharing with you all 6 different ways to wear your dupatta or scarf, and I will make 3 different looks with it. First of all, I would like to have a word with you. We all know that the challenges have been taking over the internet, and I thought that I would make my own little challenge. And the challenge is I have to create as many as outfits I could only using dupattas. Of course, no cut, no seam. Don't forget to tag your favorite YouTuber or fashion influencer whom you think should do this challenge, so that we will get more and more outfit ideas and creative ways to wear a dupatta or scarf. So you can wear your scarf or dupatta in many different ways, such as hair accessory, coat, jacket, shrugs, top, skirt and what not. I can make a complete playlist on this topic, and I will surely do that if I get 310 likes on this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Now, as I am using a net fabric which is really see-through, I will wear a petticoat beneath it. You are going to need a large size scarf or any flowy fabric 2 meters or longer. I am plaiting the long side of dupatta all around my waist. Using the safety pins, I will close the open slit of the skirt. Now, as this is going to be an ethnic outfit, I picked this printed multicolored dupatta for my top. Fold the short side of dupatta according to the length that you will prefer for top. Then, wrap it around, tucking inside your tube bra. For now, I will just wrap like this, and after one round, treat it just like a sari and secure wherever needed with a safety pin. And just look how it creates an illusion of sari. To go with the theme, I accessorized with multicolored jewelry and multicolored Kolhapuri chappal. This look can be your last minute outfit idea for wedding and festive season. To make a skirt with a scarf, fold it in half and wrap it around your waist. As you finish tucking it around for the second time, leave one end of the scarf, forming a one-sided cowl. Pin the tucked end to secure it. I just shifted the tucked end a little bit. For the top, fold the scarf in half. Identify its midpoint and wrap it around your chest, slightly moving its midpoint. Now bring it at front from opposite sides and take it behind the neck, forming an illusion of halter strap. Now wrap the longer end around the neck and leave the shorter one at front. I picked this color combination so that it gives this perfect green monochrome look. Accessorizing with statement earrings and block heels, this outfit gives the perfect party vibe. For the Indo-Western look, I picked this printed dupatta with this pom-pom lace happening on it. Now take it around your neck as I am showing and secure it with an elastic band. I am using a rubber band here. Take the dupatta around your whole body as I am showing. Secure it with a safety pin wherever needed. I chose to go with all pom-pom theme for the accessories as well. Use the dupatta as a belt of the clutch, forming a fancy pack. I love how the color combination of this maxi dress and belt created a color block theme for this outfit. This outfit is giving me a bohemian style vibe. Of course, you can go ahead and experiment with the length of this outfit.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. And if you happen to try any of these ways to wear a scarf, then let me know through Instagram DM, or you can also tag me in your stories. I will be really happy to see you trying this out, as I made sure that all of these are pretty wearable. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Loads of love.